Back from Rockingham, and Open House 2023 was an absolute success. A phenomenal day. I want to say thank you to Rockingham Speedway and their staff and everyone that helped make and put the event on. From the Rockingham Speedway staff to Mr. and Miss Davis to everyone with SCC Doc. And there's just a lot of people that I'd like to thank, all the drivers. Thank you to the fans that came out. Incredible time, and man, that was absolutely fun. That's all I can really say. I'm going to try to get some photos out tomorrow on Sunday, and some videos will be going on as the week continues. When we start working on some clips for a YouTube video and social media accounts. So if you haven't yet, of course, go follow our group on Facebook. You'll see down the screen. And go follow us on Instagram as well. I had an absolutely fun time, not only seeing the action and filming it, but being able to talk and see friends and be able to talk to a lot of people that I haven't met before but had talked through online. It was a blast, and I'm looking forward to the next event. So that's all I really got to say. I hope you all have a good night. I hope everyone has safe travels on the way back home. Keep safe, and I'll see y'all later.